Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to use text to image AI on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to use the text to image AI on Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app you will be landed over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface at the bottom of the screen guys, you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the plus button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land over here under the photo section. Over here you can see, now in order to go to the text to image AI on Picsart, scroll down and you can see guys, over here AI tools are available for us. And when you land over here, there is the text to image option available for us under the AI tools, which is the second one. You can see it says just beside my avatars, the second one is text to image. Tap on it, and when this interface loads guys, you can see you will be able to enter the prompt over here of which you want to generate the image. So to do that, let's just enter a prompt, something like this. And after entering the prompts, let's close the keyboard, and you can see the generate button at the bottom of the screen. Also you can choose your styles. Tap on the generate button and the pictures of your prompt will be generated and shown to you. And with that being done guys, this is how you will be able to use the text to image on Picsart AI. You can even choose the styles and enter your prompt over here and tap on the generate button, and then your image will be generated. And this is how to use the text to image AI on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.